Tell everybody what we're going to cook tonight.
So tonight we're going to be making a full English breakfast.
A full English breakfast.
Hello everyone, welcome to Weenock channel. Do you have any breakfast today? If you don't, you must try this popular breakfast in England. Full English breakfasts are so popular that they're pretty much offered throughout the day as all-day breakfast. Sometimes called a fry-up, a full English is a hearty, hefty breakfast plate served in the UK and Ireland. Some people serve hash browns with a full English and some people think it is sacrilegious. Hash browns are more modern edition and that's why they are so contentious. When you do see hash browns on a full English. If you want a potato product that isn't hash browns, bubble and squeak, fried potatoes and cabbage, is probably much more traditional. And for your information, there are some frequently questioned related full English breakfast answered in Quora.com. Okay, here there are.
Tell everybody what we're going to cook tonight.
So tonight we're going to be making a full English breakfast.
A full English breakfast.
What do you think about English breakfast? Mario Wagner, a web developer, history and video game enthusiast, given answered, I really love it. Standard continental breakfast is boring to me, and has been since childhood. I always preferred the more savory stuff instead of the sweets. I took a trip to London last year with my fiancé, and going to a pub in the morning and having some English breakfast with sausages, beans, hash browns, mushrooms, bacon, eggs and black pudding was a must. I regularly make it at home now. If only they sold the original HP sauce in Germany, I'm going to run out soon. Why is the English breakfast so popular? Stephen Carey, a marine engineer, give him opinion. What's not to like? Sausage, 2 eggs, they come in pairs, there's no such thing as 1 egg, bacon, proper back bacon, not that crappy US stuff, baked beans, bubble and squeak asterisk, mushrooms are fresh, sautéed in butter, not from a tin, and tomato. Some like black pudding as well, but I don't. Coronary on a plate if you have it every morning. Traditional English fat boys at breakfast, the smoked fish could also be a pair of Craster kippers or an Arbroath smoky. Bubble and squeak, food of the gods. Made with leftover mashed potato and steamed veggies. Chop up the veg, mix with the mash, make into patties with a bit of flour to stop it sticking. Do you know what makes up a full English breakfast? Antonio Tila gives him answered in Quora. He said, the full English breakfast. Also known as the Great British Fry-Up. The full English breakfast of bacon, eggs, sausage, baked beans, fried tomato, fried mushrooms, black pudding, fried and toasted bread. Sometimes, scrambled eggs are used to replace the fried eggs. There is no law, but the main ingredients above are traditional. Some establishments also add chips. Potato fries. Grilling, instead of frying some items, is an alternative and healthier option. Drinks. A mug of coffee or rosé tea, and/or orange juice. Traditionally, one would use a cup and saucer to drink one's tea. Enjoy your meal and thanks for watching.